Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechGuru. I am announcing a new course for you, that is web development. I will be teaching you each and everything about this thing, about that course that is very important for us. And if you go for this course to any other website, you will have to pay money for that. But you will have to pay money. But I'm going to teach you free of cost. Okay, that is a very important and crucial course that I have brought for you. So let's start web development. In web development, we will study WordPress. Okay, here is the course outline. This is the course outline. We'll be studying introduction, then getting started, then creating content, customize your site, exploring blogs, and managing your site. These are the topics that we have to discuss one by one. But in my today's video, I will just like to explore introduction. I would like to just tell you about introduction of web development. Okay, let's move. Tech Guru. This is my channel name. Okay, welcome to WordPress course with Tech Guru. The video provides a simple overview of course and what you can expect to learn from a brand new, completely rewritten WordPress course for beginners. As you know that I have written these all things. It is for the beginners. If you are a beginner, then you will get plenty of you will get a good knowledge from here, and you will be a good developer. But if you are a beginner, then it's very beneficial for you. Now, introduction to WordPress. First of all, WordPress. What is WordPress? Then we will talk about WordPress.org or WordPress.com. Then WordPress themes, WordPress plugin, and WordPress hosting. Okay, what is WordPress? So this is my topic that I am going to teach you. This is the web development. This is the software. Okay, WordPress is web publishing software that you can use to create a beautiful website or blog. It just may be the easiest and most flexible blogging and website content management system for beginners. Since it was released in 2003, WordPress has become one of the most popular web publishing platforms, and today it powers more than 35% of the entire websites in the world, I can say. Everything from hobby blogs to some of the most popular websites online. Actually, WordPress is already coded. Okay, you don't need to code anything. You don't need to write code. You don't need to study JavaScript, HTML, CSS, PHP, any other course. You would not need to study these all things. If you learn WordPress, you will be able to make your site easily. You will make site easily. Okay, so this is a WordPress. Actually, WordPress. What is WordPress? It is a content management system. There are also many CMSs, but the first and the very prominent CMS system, that is WordPress. There's also Drupal, there's also Magneto, but WordPress is best of all. So let's move to second point, that what is WordPress.org and WordPress.com. This is what I'm just telling you intro. Inshallah, I will be live. I will be teaching you. Okay, I will be sharing your screen on Google browser. I will be doing all these things live. But this is the first as intro. Then that's why I'm doing this whole thing. So what WordPress.org and WordPress.com? The difference between them is that WordPress.org, you need to install WordPress software on the hosting account. But in WordPress.com, it is self-hosted. You cannot buy that. I have written these all things, but I like to say you simply that WordPress.org is very much beneficent if you want to make money. If you want to make your website look beautiful, if you want to customize that, then my recommendation is the wordpress.org. And wordpress.com, actually wordpress.com has got strict rules. If you do not, okay, act upon that rules, if you do not follow that rules, you will not, you will not be able to run your site. But similarly, if you install wordpress.org, and you install that WordPress on your local host or on live server means hosting, you will be using it very freely. There is no any kind of strict rules. So as I have written in code, so that it may be in emphatic way, for people starting a new blog without any investment for them, my recommendation is wordpress.com, because it's free. If you plan to run a more successful and complex blog and you wanted to earn money, then wordpress.org is the best choice. So I will be teaching you that what is wordpress.org, wordpress.com. It is just self. I will be showing you everything. My recommendation is wordpress.org, and what I will be teaching you, that is wordpress.org. Okay, now there are the WordPress themes. What are themes? Actually, themes control the design of your website. It makes beautiful. Your website will look very attractive. Depending on the type of website you are planning, will decide on which theme you will use. If you're running e-commerce site, you must buy e-commerce theme. You must choose e-commerce theme that is related to shopping cart, that is related to I may say like shopping. If you're running news site, then you will need to news site, you will need not a shopping cart. If you're using a blog, then you must have to use magazine themes. There are many free themes as well. There are plenty of premium themes also. There are also premium themes, there are also free themes. I will be teaching you everything. What are the premium themes, what are the free themes, I will be teaching you. WordPress plugin. Actually, plugin enhances the functionality of the website. If you wanna add more functionality to your site, then you must go for the plugin. Currently there are 42,906 different plugins available for WordPress. That is, these all plugins and themes are present in wordpress.org directory. You can download from them. I will be teaching you. This is just showing the slides. I'll be teaching you very thoroughly. When I will be live, I'll be doing all things live. There are also which functions does plugin do? So popular plugins help with SEO, image optimization, social media integration, email marketing, and security. Free plugins are available from wordpress.org. Premium plugins are available from developers, as we discussed above. As also that there are many also premium plugins, free plugins also. As I said, premium WordPress themes. I will be there. Actually, the cost of premium themes usually start from $50 and can reach $100. If you want your website to be to look very very different from the rest, or I can say that it's a very beautiful one, then you should go for the premium WordPress themes. I will be teaching you this, how to get premium themes. My recommendation for premium theme directory: if you wanted to buy premium themes, then you must go for website that is athemes.com, and the second theme, that this is the website Athemes, and this is the website that is ThemeForest. ThemeForest, look here, themeforest.com. You will see you can download you can buy any kind of theme from here. Now the main thing, that is WordPress hosting. For all we discussed above, if you want to make it true mentally prepared for website or blog creation, then first you have to buy hosting from any hosting provider company. There are many hosting private companies like Bluehost, HostGator, SiteGround, cheap, okay, SiteGround, and there are many. There are plenty of website, okay, hosting provider. I will also make video on hosting, at which hosting company should we, okay, prefer. I will be teaching you this. I will be showing you that what things we should look in hosting. If you are going to choose hosting, what things we should look for in that hosting, okay. So that was my lecture that I told you. This was simple lecture. That was just intro to WordPress. Inshallah, I will be teaching you each and everything in my lectures, because I will be teaching you free course. This is a complete course, complete and ultimate course for WordPress beginners, WordPress developer. I will be teaching you each and everything. So if you like my video, I'll be very much happy. So these are my official social media channels: Facebook Motivational Hub 02, Instagram.com 215, and Twitter. These are my, please follow and like these pages too. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much.